Oh, I didn't see you there.
Hey, what is going on, everyone? We are back with a double sneaker unboxing. This is a set of sneakers that kind of coincide and go together, but I have two of them, both from different places, and I've been wanting to show you guys. Kind of made this video a little late. These are both pickups from the end of 2017. I know it's 2018 now, but we're starting off the year with a double sneaker unboxing that I was supposed to do in 2017, but didn't get the time. So, to just start it off right, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys, so you guys know what I've bought, of course, duh, because it's a sneaker unboxing and that's what I'm supposed to do. So, as you can see, this is from, and they are all the way over in England, and yes, they do ship worldwide, and it is fairly reasonable for shipping. And of course, before I opened it, I took this out because it contains the receipt, but they give you a little envelope with your receipt inside, and of course, you got receipt and all that jazz. I'm not going to show you guys that because it's my receipt. And they give you this little listing and tell you to download their app. I mean, I haven't done that yet, and I don't think I will, but that's cool. And then they give you a little business card. Couldn't think of the name for it. It says thank you on the back, and that is about it. Hoping they'd give you a sticker in here, but of course that is from End. And I didn't know they did like these like gift box type deals, but it's pretty neat. Let's see if I can go ahead and get it open here. Okay. I'm not going to show you guys yet, but out with that box. Yep. Alright. Box is a little dusty, but as you can see right there, the XXX1, that is for the Jordan 31. Give you a look at the size tag right there. 14. You read the tag and get a hint on what it is already before I even open it up. And the cool thing I think they did with the 31s, they put the Air Jordan 1 lid underneath the box lid. I think that's pretty sweet. Just the simple touches that they do with Jordan brand that go a long way. But this is my pickup. Let me see it yet, but it is the Quai 31 low, of course, from the Streetball Classic over in Paris that they Jordan brand teams up with. You'll understand why I bought these here in a second, but overall, dope shoe. And if you're gonna look at the bottoms and say they're dirty, yeah, it's because I wore them already. But yeah, overall dope shoe. Can't see the insole, it's a little dark in here. But yeah, I got these from shipped from all the way over in England for, I think the shoes were $120, and then shipping was like another like 15 or something like that. So just about 140, and I think these retailed for 175. So I mean, probably couldn't have gotten lower somewhere else, but it is what it is. And my other sneaker unboxing that is more important and crucial to my collection comes from the one and only StockX, of course. This is my first official business with StockX, and subsequently I've heard good and bad things about StockX. This is the first time I've used them. I've only used the GOAT in the past, and I've only used that once. So, I mean, kind of hesitant to what to expect from them. Hearing that people get sneakers and they are fake and they won't take them back, and you only get a partial refund or something like that, or get a discount code, like who gives a fuck. But I'm gonna see if I can show you guys what I got without revealing my... Yeah, okay. My address and stuff is not on there. So I ordered these on the 13th of December, and they came, I think it took 13 days, because they came a day after Christmas. So yeah, just about 2 weeks. But yeah, this is, if you can read that, hopefully you can. Hopefully it'll focus. Air Jordan 1 Quai 54, black Italy blue, University red, size 14, dead stock, 100% authentic. That is what they claim their business is to be, and they verify each shoe and make sure it is authentic from the seller when they receive them from the seller. So that's kind of what they do. Same thing as GOAT, but I think GOAT's a little bit quicker if I'm not mistaken. But maybe just because it was the holiday season, now it was very busy. But dead stock, 100% authentic, and if you can see, I paid $150, which was under retail for this shoe at the time it released, and shipping $13.95, so it put me over that retail limit. And I paid $163 for this shoe, so just about retail. Would have been exactly what I paid from Nike if I would have gotten these on release. But see the label right there, size 14, my size. Like I said, I got these a few weeks ago, and I haven't made the video yet, so I've already worn these and have them laced up. So yeah, I don't know, I love this shoe. I mean, I wish you could see it right now, but let's see if we can change that. Make it a little bit brighter in here. Might be a little too bright, but as you can see, all black suede, and then right there on the tongue you got the blue Streetball, the red laces, and of course the red bottom, but the blue on the tongue. Oh, and the little like red, black, and blue tag on the, not tag, but leather piece on the back. And of course got the other shoe. Now what you see on this one, black, blue laces, red Streetball, and then a blue bottom. Yup, I know. Wear these out in public, people be like, your shoes aren't matching. Well, no shit, you dumbass. They're supposed to be like that. Anyways, as you can see, for the most part, these are very subsequently matching. And I mean, it just, you can get the gist of what I'm trying to like show you here. And then of course you got the blue Streetballs on the tongues. But yeah, very matching shoe. I believe they were all given out to players that played in the Streetball Classic, and of course you have to be pretty good to play in that. They've been doing that for a long time. Like they've done like Jordan 5s, some other shit I can't remember, but of course they are a very limited shoe, so they go for a lot of money. And the friends and family of this is half of the suede, and then one side's red, and then on the other shoe it's half suede and the other side is blue. And of course on StockX, I think it's a size 12 or something, maybe it's a smaller size, but they go for like $7,000, and that is fucking ridiculous. But 2 sneaker unboxings, one from StockX, as you can see. Since I have their fancy little sticker now, I can put that somewhere back there. But and one from End, all the way from England, which is pretty sweet. And what I was gonna say, if you like this view better with like shoes and stuff in the background and more of a wide angle, leave a comment down below and say you like this view better rather than just my up close 50mm. Just give me some insight, trying out some new stuff. And in other news, me and a local buddy are starting a collaboration YouTube. He is, let's see here. He is Mr. Two Fly Sneakers. Of course, if you're local, which most of you are, know him as Vic. Really cool guy, you know. But we are starting a collaboration YouTube channel. Mike and Vic's Kicks. If you don't know by now, as my channel is almost 2 years old, which is kind of insane. My name is Mike. But yeah. So Mike and Vic's Kicks, I'm going to put the link down below, or I'll put it up here somewhere. And you guys can go subscribe to that if you would. It'd help us out a lot. We are going to be doing similar stuff to this, like unboxings. I'm going to try to convince him to do some restorations on camera, but that'll probably be an over time deal. And like cleaning sneakers with his cleaner, because it actually works pretty well, and I want to get it out there more and help him out. But like, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll be back with another video, because that's what I'm here to do. So, that being said, I'm out this bitch.
Okay, well, good night, darling.